Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial, and today we're going to be talking about 3 different types of ways that you can seek to build wealth in 2023. 2022 was an awesome year, so thank you for all of you who are returning viewers, and I'm excited to talk about the 3 different ways that we can build wealth in 2023, and I'm using my channel page here as a starting point. This is not one of my 3 ways, but I am going to do a shameless plug. For the channel here, feel free to follow if you like personal finance and in particular stock content, as well as I have a description down below for the Discord where a number of you are actually a part of. So super excited to continue building this community. So without further ado, the first thing that we're going to be talking about today is building a budget. And I'm going to walk you through the budget that I actually use when we're walking through and looking to build wealth. So what I have here on the screen is a simple Excel spreadsheet. I am going to upload this into the Discord. That's going to be free to grab. But you can see here, this is sample budget 2023. I've been using this for this point in time for probably 7 years. And I don't even remember where I got it. I think it was one of the auto-populated ones that you can get off Microsoft Excel. But essentially what this gives you the capability to do is on a line-by-line basis, you do have the capability to fill in your income, and you have the capability to put in your different taxes that are available here. And what this will do is it will actually track all of that information over time. So you do have the capability to build out your own budget, and it'll actually walk through your different income streams, whether this is you and a spouse or just yourself. But this is a great way for you to see where all of your money is going on an ongoing basis. What this will do is it'll showcase at the end of the year how much cash you should have left over. You can see a number of things that I have in here, such as putting more money into savings, contributing to a Roth IRA, 401k, Roth IRA, HSA. So there's a lot of information available here. This is something that you can edit. So you do have the capability to make this suitable to your needs. One of the most important things about budgeting is it does provide you a way to see where is all of your money going? What are your expenses? And lastly, where your excess cash should go. Oftentimes individuals, if they have excess cash, will then spend their excess cash. So being able to tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went is a great way to build wealth and to seek different investment opportunities that you have available, as well as it'll help just to track how much you're spending on things like your rent or your mortgage, how much you're spending on groceries, how much you're spending on going out to eat. So all of this information is a great way to hold yourself to a standard to be able to determine what you're doing with all of your money. So the next thing that we want to talk about is IRA. In particular, I'm a big fan of the Roth IRA. So if you're looking at traditional versus Roth IRAs, the key difference there is either pre-tax or post-tax earnings. So if you are contributing to a traditional IRA, such as a 401k, what you are doing there is you are putting money in pre-tax. So that money is not taxed, and when you pull that money out, it will be taxed at that tax rate at that point in time. A Roth IRA means you are putting money in post-tax, which means that you will be getting that money when, or all of the gains associated with that investment will be pulled tax-free. So generally speaking, you can change or pick which one of those that you think is appropriate based on your current earning potential and where you think it should be appropriate for your institution. What I would highlight is if you didn't contribute to a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA in 2022, you do have the capability to make catch-up contributions through April of this year, through the following tax year. So that means that for 2022, you do have the capability to put as much as $6,000 or $7,000 if you're over 50. You have the capability to backfill that 2022 account for $6,000. What this gives you the capability to do is begin setting yourself up for retirement in a positive manner, and generally speaking for the Roth IRA in a tax-free manner. So that is money that you will be able to access when you are 59 and a half, and it does give you the capability to have some tax advantages associated with it. This is a great way to build wealth, and it's something that a lot of individuals are not doing. And frankly, a lot of individuals are not taking the 401k match that their employer will offer them. So A, take that employer match, at least max out the match, although that's not financial advice because I'm by no means a financial professional, but I definitely take full advantage of the match that is provided to me, and that is the opinion that I hold, is that it can be beneficial to max that out. In addition to that, you do have the capability, if you're in a financial position to be able to do so, to max out those Roth IRA limits or your traditional IRA, depending on your current income situation. But this is the second way that you can look to build wealth in 2023, is max out those 2022 contributions, and then it actually increases and you can put $6,500 in 2023. So that is number 2. So what is number 3? So I am now on nerdwallet.com. This is one of my favorite websites. Admittedly, you do have to recognize that all of the offers they have available in here are from people who do pay NerdWallet money, so just be aware of that. But the third thing that I want to talk about is getting the best credit card for your lifestyle. So the first thing that I would highlight is that, generally speaking, if you have the capacity and the capability to spend on a credit card without holding debt, without holding a balance, this is a great way to A, build your credit, B, protect yourself, because generally speaking, the major credit card providers do offer a number of protections for their consumers, for their customers, compared to what you may get at a smaller community bank or credit union. So there's a lot of advantages there. And then lastly, you have the capability to take advantage of their offers, whether that's things such as cash back, points, rewards. All of this information is available. So the reason that I bring this up is because if you come to NerdWallet, they've got information here for their opinion on the best credit cards of January 2023. And this is a great way to showcase the different capabilities or different information associated with it to make sure that you are maximizing your rewards so that you are building credit and you are benefiting from these rewards. Personally, my wife and I, on a year-by-year basis, we do not budget for Christmas gifts for one another or for our families. Rather, what we do is we save up all our points from all the spending that we do on a year-by-year basis, and we spend those points in the month of November and December to buy Christmas presents. And the reason we're able to do that is because at the end of the year, we have hundreds of dollars in points and benefits. So this is something to watch, something to take advantage of. It's going to protect you as a customer, and it's also going to provide you with rewards that is already baked into the price of the goods that you are utilizing. So they do charge, generally speaking, if you're using a credit card, anywhere between 1% to 2%. They are charging their provider. So that means that the small business you go to is having to pay Visa or MasterCard. So the capability to get some of that percentage back is a great way to continue to put hundreds of dollars back in your pocket on an annual basis. So this is all information that I'm encouraging you to look at, continue to do your own research, but let's make 2023 a great year. So if you have any comments, questions, or feedback, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below. And if you want to chat about this stuff, let me know by joining that Discord. Thanks. Talk to you later.